Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the various numericals from the second unit. Okay, so let us write down the problem statement first. So the problem is calculate the efficiency of a heat engine which is giving 20 kilowatt of output when 30 kilowatt of heat is supplied. Okay, so let us solve this particular numerical. Okay, prior to that we will read the problem statement first. Calculate the efficiency of the heat engine which is giving 20 kilowatt of output when 30 kilowatt of heat is supplied. So given data we will write it down first. W out, that is nothing but the work output. Okay, that is given as calculate the efficiency of an heat engine which is giving 20 kilowatt of an output. So work W out is 20 kilowatt. Okay, when 30 kilowatt of heat is supplied. So what this is Q in. Okay, that means heat supplied. So how much it is? 30 kilowatt. Okay, now we know that the formula of an efficiency is output upon input. Okay, so it will be equals to W out by Q in, and which will be equals to 20 by 30. So if we calculate this in the calculator, the answer will be 20 divided by 30. Answer is 66.66. So the answer is 0.6667. Okay, so the efficiency will be equals to 66.67 percentage. If you multiply the efficiency by 100, then we will get the percentage. Okay, I hope you might have understood this problem. On the similar ground we will discuss one more problem. Okay, let us write down the problem statement. Calculate the output of the heat engine calculate the output of the heat engine, okay, if power supplied to the system is 40 kilowatt. Okay, the efficiency of the system is 30%. Okay, so let us solve this numerical. Prior to that, let's read it. Okay, calculate the output of the heat engine if power supplied to the system is 40 kilowatt and the efficiency of the system is 30%. So if we write down the given data, then given data will be Q in is given as 40 kilowatt and efficiency of an engine is given as 30%. So it will be 0.3. So if we know the formula of an efficiency, efficiency is nothing but the output upon input. Okay, so what will be the our output? W out will be the our output and Q in will be the our input. So this problem will be 0.3 will be equals to W out divided by 40. So W out will be equals to, if you multiply this, what will be the answer? 0.3 multiplied by 40. So answer is 12. Okay. So 12 watt will be the our answer. No, 40 is in watt or kilowatt? 40 is in kilowatt. So our answer will be kilowatt, 12 kilowatt. So I hope you might have understood this problem. Thank you so much for this particular video. All the best.